shortly. Please remain on the line. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Guys, people are joining. Let them join. Let them join. Let them join. Almost 100 people. Almost 100 people are joining. Let them join. I'll start. Sir, you will take or Prakash sir will take. Right now I'm taking, let me take. Yesterday only Papam Prakash sir have discharged from the hospital. People don't know. Today morning he called, was unable to speak. From tomorrow, from Monday he will take. At least now his pulse and all it's good. Anupama ma'am, she is not at all well. Uday Prakash, he also got positive. He is also not well. At least I'm managing from morning 8 to evening 8. I'm managing at least I was. See, for you people, topics, it will be done perfectly. Let me or Prakash or whomever it might be. There is no difference. Same topics. You already, if I'm completely new for you people, then if you are asking, then it's a different story. You know me also, you know Prakash sir also, nothing different will be there. Sir, my friend is not able to join, it seems. Tell her to call, once call to HR. They will tell you. No, from morning, same question, lot of people are asking. Telling me only to continue manual testing and all. See, you people shouldn't tell that whether I should take or he should take manual testing. That one, if you are not understanding, then you let me know. Sir, you only take manual testing, sir. That and all, Papa. He's not feeling well. Otherwise, he will only take. Sir, if any app is given, then how? When our SQL starts, April batch. How are you, sir? I'm good, right? 5th April batch means. Have you started SQL? Are you going with some people? DDL started. For those people who started with DDL, okay. For those people, right now I don't have time. Okay, I don't have time. Morning to evening completely packed. Even Hyderabad also, I'm only taking SQL Hyderabad batch people also. So next week, Hyderabad batch people, SQL will be over. And next week, your manual classes will be taken by Prakash. At that time, that DDL, DML, all those topics I will take. I'll schedule. Next week only I'll schedule. Okay? Sir, how is Prakash's health, sir? Yesterday evening he was discharged. Yesterday evening he is discharged. Anupama, she was not even able to speak properly. When she speaks, she's getting in. Okay, and Uday Prakash also got COVID. He was also not taking classes. If any app is given, how we know that which type of app? Pooja Kumari, depends. Types of application I said, right? If it is server-based application, web application, if it is user interfaces in your phone and remaining is in server, that is a client server. If there is no need of server, that is a standalone. That's it. What is today's topic? I'll start models there. Sir, you are fine. Yeah, I'm absolutely fine there. I'm in my native. I'm absolutely fine. I'm not in Bangalore. Only normalization DCL topic is that. You people will take care. Don't worry. That is just just a theory part. I will take care. Sir, will be having offline classes from May 14th or online classes continues. See, as of now, the government have told that till May 10th or May 14th, I don't know. May 10th or May 12th, I don't know. I think till there, online classes will be there. After that, government is going to tell whether they are going to continue this, or if they say like no, little some things we'll excuse, then we are going to take off. It depends upon government at that time, government decision. Sir, all sirs and madams, how all are suffering from COVID? How all are suffering from COVID? What kind of question you are asking? The complete India is suffering with COVID. How come ma'ams and sir, what COVID will not come to peace for his faculty or what? What is syllabus of manual testing? Syllabus of manual testing will give you. If possible, I'll tell you now itself. What is the syllabus of manual testing class? I'll tell you that. We'll give you. Till 12th May. Okay. I guess up to May ending, we should continue online side. It is safe for everyone. See, some people will think, see, students, you people are very dangerous. But you know, not everyone, but most of the people, some people want online classes only because of COVID. I want online classes. Some people say offline classes are online. Why online? Offline, it's a different story. Okay, we can't compromise, or we can't make you people to feel like okay, offline or both. We can't satisfy you people. If at all, if we take online, your parents, you will ask sir offline classes. If we take offline, you know how many of your students' parents are calling and asking, how can you people take offline classes? Students' parents, your parents. They don't know. If you people don't get job, also they will ask us. They don't know. See, it's not your parents' mistake. You have to tell that. You people have to tell them. It's not their mistake also. For them, okay, my kid has to be safe. Online classes is boring. Offline classes, almost are rock. Wow, you are telling that. See, so Yogendra, you want offline class for me, not for subject. You love me, that's why you want offline classes. What you are telling me? Learn subject. Who is taking why you want? I think we learn subject. If you didn't understand, then you come and ask me. I will tell you 100 times also. Sir, all the students are so panicked in this situation. Just stay where are you? Sure, right, sure. It doesn't matter job we want. Wait, still some people are here to join the. Wait, let me call to them. Busy. The number you have just. Offline classes Hello? 185 people have joined. Almost 70-80 people have still haven't joined. Still people yet to join. There almost 70-80 people are there. Sure, sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay, but no uncommon answer. And it's affected with COVID, that's it. Right now, somehow I am safe, that's it. Pradeep also affected with COVID. Okay. Send link to join webinar in WhatsApp group, sir. I think HR people have shared the webinar link. Even now they have shared the link. Yes or no? Share to your friends that link. No. Wait, let me call. If not can, then just inform to you people, share to your friends. Okay. Hello. Actually, students they join. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, then. I just told to HR they'll drop you a message for link. Okay, you already said. How are you, sir? Hopefully safe. Yes, I'm safe. Right now, currently I'm safe. That's why I'm taking class. I'm in my native. I'm in Visakhapatnam now. Okay, almost 70 people yet to join. Fine, I will start the class. I will start the class. Let them join. Okay. There is class on Sunday. No, Sunday at least leave me there morning 8 to night 9. I'm taking Sunday leave there. Sunday no class today. Okay. Every one of you done with SDLC, right? Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow class is there. Okay. Who will give requirement? Who will give requirement and who will collect requirement? Customer will give requirement and BA will collect the requirement. Okay. Customer or client will give the requirement and business analyst will collect the requirement. Okay. See. What is the first phase of SDLC? Okay. There are some models. Okay. Types of SDLC. Okay. Models of SDLC. See, there are some models. There are some models of SDLC. Okay. SDLC follows some models. Okay. First one, waterfall model. Waterfall model. Second one, spiral model. Third one, prototype model. Fourth one, V and V. Verification and validation model. Hybrid model. Agile methodology. Okay, these are the models of SDLC. Okay, copy these models. Copy these models. Today we will discuss waterfall model. and I increase the font size also. Okay. So the video is getting paused all of a sudden. Internet connection is fine from my. Alright, your internet connection is not good, it seems. Alright, after this end of the session, I will share one requirement. If anyone are eligible, send your name, contact number to the HR. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Yes, SAP. Okay. 120th April class. Could you give me the backup class of manual testing? No. Check with HR. It's not after parts of application. Parts of application, types of application is completely different topic. After SDLC, these are models. Array. Yeah. Whether I mute or unmute, when I speak, you will listen. In the middle, I won't stop the conversation, right? Manoj, that is web architecture, Professor will take care. Just now I started there. Okay. Everyone copy? Everyone copy? Okay. Today we are going to learn waterfall model. Okay. Today we are going to learn waterfall model. See, it is a basic model of SDLC. Okay. It's a basic model of SDLC. It's a first model, like you know black and white movies, right? Such a kind of model, old model. Don't think that this model came in black and white movies. No, I'm telling that It is an old model, very old model. Okay, and currently no IT company is using waterfall model. Hardly 2% of IT companies are using this waterfall model. No company is using. Okay, what kind of applications they are using? I will tell you. For what kind of applications they are using, I will tell you. First, same SDLC, same. First, requirement collection will be there. After that, after requirement collection, feasibility study will be there. Next, design. Next, coding. Next, testing. Next, installation. Next, maintenance. Okay, I'm not able to hear your voice. Increase volume in your system. Okay, now see, same. This is what the SDLC, which we have learned. Okay, waterfall model is a part. It's one model in SDLC. Okay, it is one of the model in SDLC. Okay, see, when do we go for waterfall model? When do we go for waterfall model? We'll see now. Okay, see, there are hardly 2% of companies. They are using waterfall model. For what kind of applications they are using, we'll see. For example, okay. Can you see? One Raja, oh, perfect. This one alone you didn't forget. You may forget me also, but you won't forget this. Okay, Raja only. Okay, okay. All three. Okay. All three are Jigri Bugri Dost. All three are Jigri Bugri Dost. Okay. Or you stop telling it. Okay. See, all three are Jigri Bugri Dost. Happy? Now, this Raja marriage is fixed with one Rani. Okay, so this Raja marriage is fixed with one Rani. Happy or not? Happy or sad? Happy. Marriage fixed, right? Happy. Full happy. Yes or no? Full happy. Sad means you are Kamita Rani. Okay. No comments. Okay, happy. Now, more than these two also will be happy because bachelor party will be there. These two are also full happy because bachelor party will be there. Yes or no? So nicely, they are very happy. They are enjoying party, bachelor party. 7 days, they are boozing. 7 days they are drinking. Okay, full happy. Yes or no? 7 days. Marriage fixed. Full happy and they are drinking. Okay, but 7 days if you drink, health issues will come or not? 7 days if you drink, health issues will come or not? Everyone telling yes, sir. How come you know the full experience? Yes, go to hospital. That's it. Okay. Now, all three nicely they are drinking. 7 days they got health issue. First Raja got health issue. He went to one famous hospital. Tell me one famous hospital. Okay, Apollo. Okay, he went to one famous hospital called Apollo. Okay. Here, one Dr. Raja is there. Okay. Dr. Raja said, you go to lab, get the scan reports. Okay. Nicely he went to lab. And he got a scan reports. Doctor patients, you have cancer. Okay. Now, after listening this news, this bucket is gone. After listening the news only, he got heart stroke, bucket is gone. Okay. Now, this Raja, second Raja is also drinking, right? He also got health issue. He also went to same hospital. Okay. Now, he also met same Dr. Raja. He said that I will go to lab, get the reports. Same lab he went. He said, congratulations. You also have cancer. Okay. By listening this news, this bucket also got. Now, third person, super duper Raja. He decided, two of my friends already have cancer. I also have cancer. I know. Why to go to hospital? I will commit suicide. He only committed suicide. He also died. Okay. Now, doctor got one doubt. Why every time it was showing cancer? Let me take my reports only. Doctor went to hospital. Doctor went to the lab. He have taken reports. It was showing cancer. Now tell me, do you think all four people have cancer? Where is the problem? That machine. Perfect. That machine have a problem. Perfect. See, this machine have a problem. Okay. So these kind of applications we call it as life critical applications. Life critical applications. All hospital applications comes under life critical applications. All hospital applications comes under life critical applications. You take any hospital application, one small mistake will change entire life only. See, simple. You take COVID only, positive, negative, positive and negative. Only one line only difference. That one line, if it is not there, you will die. You're understanding simple logic. All these are mission life critical applications. All hospital applications are life critical applications. Okay. For life critical applications, we'll go for waterfall model. Okay. Not only life critical applications, and also machine critical applications. Machine critical applications. Machine critical applications means what, sir? Means what, sir? For example, okay. See, there is India map. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, there is an India. Okay, here one more country is there called Pakistan. Here one more country is there called Pakistan. Okay, now imagine India-Pakistan war is going on. India-Pakistan war is going on. Okay, Pakistan sent one missile to India. Okay, first India sent one missile to Pakistan. India sent one missile. Okay, they created one missile. They created one missile. Okay, they press the button here. There is a button here. They press the button. After that missile went. That missile went. Fallen Pakistan. Half Pakistan gone. Half Pakistan gone. Okay. Now, do you think Pakistan will sit idle? No, right? Pakistan also will fight. Okay, Papa fellows, all there are good people in India also. There are good people in Pakistan also. There are good bad people in India also. There are bad people in Pakistan also. Politician will make the difference. Politicians only will do all these things. Okay, fine. Now they press the button. Pakistan also they press the button. After pressing the button, it went. It came back and fall on Pakistan. Complete Pakistan won. Okay. Here, Pakistan have targeted their own country or India? Pakistan have targeted their own country or India? They targeted India. But it came back. Yes or no? Where is the problem here? Where is the problem here? This machine have a problem. This machine have a problem. Those kind of applications we call it as machine critical applications. Those kind of applications we call it as machine critical applications. Okay, see all naval applications, army applications, defense applications. You take Air Force. Okay, you go in flight. You travel in flight. When you're traveling in flight, suddenly signal gone. That's it. Where you will go? Body only will come down. Soul will go up only. You're understanding. Defense applications, naval applications, army applications. All these applications comes under machine critical applications. Okay, for life critical applications and machine critical applications, we'll go for waterfall model. See, there are only 3 questions. First question is, when do we go for waterfall model? Waterfall model. First question. Okay, there are only 3 questions in waterfall model. Okay, for life critical and mission critical applications, we'll go for waterfall model. Clear? Second question. Who will? Second one. Mission critical means naval applications, right? Defense applications, army applications, Air Force, all those. See, rockets. You know, rockets. Small mistake. PSLV rockets, you know, right? Small mistake, it will blast the rocket. Complete rocket only will blast. Okay, those kind of applications it comes under mission critical applications. Okay, critical. What do you mean by critical? General meaning. Okay, life critical, mission critical. Critical is nothing but severity. Okay, second one. Who will test the application. Okay. Who used to test the application in waterfall model? Who used to test the application in waterfall model? You online? Hello? Okay, guys, I got a call. One second now. Okay, guys, see, who used to test the application in waterfall model? Everyone are telling that test engineer, but answer is developers used to test the application in waterfall model. Okay, developers. See, and that it's a starting model. I said you right, basic model. At that time, there is no test engineers. They don't know that test engineers are required. They don't know that test engineers are required to test an application. Okay, they only know that. Okay, they only know that developers are develop the application. Developers are test the application. See, right now, test engineers are there to test an application in waterfall model also. But Previously, when waterfall model is started, there is no test engineers concept. So developers used to test the application in waterfall model. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Okay. Okay. Now see. My question is simple. One by one, you have to answer. You have one by one. You have to answer, but along with the reason. Okay. My question is, customer will give requirement, BA will collect requirement. BA will collect requirement. Imagine it's a 5 months of project. 5 months of project. Sir, you said waterfall model is old and only 2% of them uses it. But why? Very important departments like defense and men use waterfall model. Vinod Kumar, your question only. No, I am telling. Okay. 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 Customer BA. Okay, customer will give the requirement, BA will collect the requirement. Imagine that is 5 months of project. You work for 4 months. 4 months of work is done. See, when I say 4 months of work is done, it is done according to customer requirement or not? According to customer requirement. Okay, 4 months of work. See, the work what you did, it's not by your own. It's based on requirement. Okay, so 4 months of work you have done according to the requirement, customer's requirement. Now, customer wants to change the requirement. Customer wants to change the requirement. Some requirement changes in the middle. In the middle. Will you allow or not? Will you allow or not? Okay. 1 second, guys. Hello. And when you are saying hello or not hello, don't tell one word answer. I need a reason. Yes, no. If you are telling hello, why we are allowing? If you are telling not hello, why we are not allowing? I got important call. Okay, see. Listen, developer will never finalize the requirement. Requirement will be finalized by customer. Okay. People who said yes, yes, sir, we will allow requirement changes. People are telling, right, 4 months of work is done. After the customer wants to change the requirement. People who said yes, if you allow, developer have to change the code or not. If you allow requirement changes, developer have to change the code or not. Hey. Developer have to change the code because of code changes. It may affect other codes or not. Some changes, okay, some changes. Okay, it may affect other codes or not. If it is affecting, we have taken an example. People who got cancer. If it is affecting, instead of ulcer, it will show cancer. Complete Pakistan country only gone if it is affecting. Okay, so remember, if you are telling yes, we will allow requirement changes. Remember, if you allow requirement changes, developer have to do some code changes. Because of code changes, it may affect other modules. If it is affecting, it is going to affect human. Now tell me, human life is important or application is important? Human life is important or application is important? Obviously, human life. Now tell me, will you allow requirement changes? Will you allow requirement changes? No. People who are telling no, listen carefully. People who are telling no. If it is no, are you giving the product what customer wants? Are you giving the product what customer wants? No. Then why customer will accept? Customer will reject the application. Na? Customer will reject the application, right? Not tell me, will the other requirement changes or not? Super no. I quit the project. Who are you to quit the project? Right? Okay. Money, time, ignore. Okay, listen carefully. I'll tell you, listen. Only in waterfall model, okay, only in waterfall model, we won't allow requirement changes. Okay, only in waterfall model, we won't allow requirement changes. But when you are taking requirement itself, you will come to know that whether it is a life critical application or mission critical application. At that time itself, will tell to the customer, "Array, customer, don't ask me requirement changes in the middle because this is a life critical application. If you want, after delivering the application, you ask me. At that time, I'll give you an update. But right now in the middle, don't ask me. Before itself, we will tell to the customer. So we won't allow requirement changes in the middle. We won't allow requirement changes in the middle. Clear, everyone? Obviously, before taking the requirement only, we are telling to the customer. Whether customer accepts or not, it is not accepting. We haven't started the work only. Nothing to worry about it. But after starting work and all, it's a problem, right? Okay, see. Only in waterfall model, we won't allow requirement changes. Okay, because before accepting the product, getting the requirement itself, once you get the requirement, we will inform to the customer, customer, this is a right critical application. So don't ask me requirement changes in the middle. Before itself, we are going to tell to the customer. Array, developer have to fix a code from scratch? No. 200% no. First of all, developers are humans. Whatever they do, mistakes will be there. Okay, for one small thing, why they will do completely? See, you constructed a 2 BHK duplex house, but in the kitchen, one small mistake is done in the kitchen. Will you destroy the complete house or only kitchen? Obviously, only kitchen. The small modification you will do. You will not destroy the complete house. Life critical and mission critical both are different. Life critical applications are those hospital applications comes under life critical. That is not a machine. That is not a tool. Okay, mission critical applications are those something which tool. Okay, defense applications, naval applications, all those comes under mission critical applications. Everyone understood? And a life critical application means hospital applications, right? See, I've taken one best example. Maybe you have joined late. I've taken one best example and I've told it. Those are life critical application means. Okay. Wait. What to write? I will tell you. What to write? I will tell you. Don't write anything. Will you requirement changes? No. Okay. What you have to write, write SDLC diagram. Guys, write SDLC diagram. Okay, write SDLC diagram. Diagram is same. And then write all these questions. I'll tell you advantages and disadvantages. If we don't do the requirements, will they give us the project again? Your question only I didn't understood. Right? Waterfall model, right? Heading is waterfall model. It is difficult to interact with you, sir. What you want to interact, right? Tell me. Till what point of time company allows requirement changes? Apart from waterfall model, in all other models, any point of time they will allow requirement changes. Write only this. No need to scroll down. Write only this up to here. What is BA? Business analyst. What is requirement collection? Requirement collection, right? SDLC, if you haven't attended, then just copy. Waterfall model will not allow. Only in the middle means once you start the project. Only in the middle means till the end of the project. What kind of question you are asking? Only in the middle means starting of the project to ending of the project, you can't allow requirement changes. That is the meaning. Suppose you won't allow requirement changes, the client know that in life critical it is a big issue. And sir, what will developer will do? Developer, why you are what talking about developer? Starting itself, once you came to know that life critical applications, we won't allow requirement changes. Whatever requirements we got, based on the developer will write the code, test engineer will test the application and will deliver to the customer. That's it. Very simple. See, developer used to test the application is different. Developer still testing the application is different. Starting with before that, developer used to test. Now test engineers are there. See, 230 people, 250 people are there. If I permit to speak, nothing will understand. Nothing will understand. Okay. Will they listen? They will listen. See, once the application is delivered to the customer, they can give the updates. At that time, we can do. So, yeah, at that time, we can do. Sir, what are requirement collection, design, coding? Is these types of waterfall model? Nagasai, Prithvi, SDLC topic. If you haven't done, I can't do anything. You have to attend SDLC topic. No, yesterday technical issue was there. I was logging in, but it was not logging in. Any changes required to the customer, then after handed out to the project to the customer, requirement changes can be given. Yes, Atiti Abhishek Naik. Yes. Let everyone copy it. Once everyone copied, let me know. Yes, Vijaya. Nothing to scroll down, right? That one and all you don't write. Okay. If you want to write that example also, then fine, right? No problem. Ultimately, you should understand your notes. No, Vijaya, they are updating. HR people are updating. They are updating about the class. First online class, I was not able to join, sir. What was the topic? That is types of application, ignore that. What if requirement changes is necessary, then we have to change the code. Are we won't, Subhashish, what you are asking? Till now, I'm telling that one only. We won't allow requirement changes means what if requirement changes are necessary? We won't allow. After delivering the application only, if they want, then we will allow. We will take as update. Nagasai Prudvi, I took your name also and I said that is SDLC concept. If you didn't attend that topic taken by Prakash, taken by me only, I guess, in the offline. If you didn't attend that topic, I can't do anything. That's what I said. I said I've taken your name also. Java will start in the next week, most probably, because that's what I said you, right? So I was not able to take breathe also. Okay, 5th April batch, right? I'll inform to HR people. I will inform to HR people to update everything. Experienced people, as usual, you have to attend Java. Experienced people, you will be attending Gaurav batch as usual. Are any other questions? How many days and all? Check with HR. Right? Check with HR people. Completed this one? For Java, separate ID will be there. Don't worry. Okay, now disadvantages. See, there are no advantages in waterfall model. Only disadvantages are there. Okay. First one. Who will test the application? First one. Developers used to test the application. Developers used to test the application. You know this. Second one. No parallel deliverable. No parallel deliverable. Sir, what do you mean by no parallel deliverable? Listen carefully. No parallel deliverable means, see, after design only coding. After coding only testing. So when developers are writing code, testers have to sit idle. They have to sit idle. Okay, simultaneous work is not going on. Means no two teams are working simultaneously. Okay, no two teams are working simultaneously. Means after design coding, after coding testing, developers and test engineers are not working simultaneously. Okay, third one. Requirement review does not exist. Does not exist. Means what, sir? Means what, sir? Okay. Who will collect the requirement? business analyst. Yes or no? So when BA collects the requirement, BA is a human. Obviously BA is a human. Okay. If BA is a human, possible humans will do mistakes. Possibility is there that BA may take wrong requirement. Yes, BA may take wrong requirement. Okay, so if BA have taken wrong requirement, we are blindly following BA's requirement. No one have reviewed, no one have checked. See, you would have done your graduation. Graduation, nicely you would have written exam. Okay, nicely you have written exam. Now, nicely when you have written exam, you realize that okay, after exam you will realize that oh, this exam I have written very nicely. Pakka I will get 65. You will think that Pakka I will get 65. But after results, you will come to know that it is not 65, it is 25. Means, according to you, you are thinking that you are written right. But your once someone have reviewed your paper, then you will realize that is wrong. Understood? For us, we will think that whatever we have collected, whatever we have written, it is right. Someone have to review. Here, we have collected the requirement, but who knows that is a wrong requirement? No one have reviewed. We are blindly following the requirement. That is called requirement review does not exist. Okay, next one. Reverse flow of bugs can exist. Okay, reverse flow of bugs means, see, if we have collected wrong requirement, feasibility study will do wrong. Design will do wrong because design will do based on requirement. Coding will do wrong. Testing will do wrong. Okay, means one phase if you find any bugs means one wrong. Till last project, continuously that bugs will flow. Continuously that mistakes will flow. That is called reverse flow of bugs exist. Fifth one, this one you know, requirement changes are not allowed. Requirement changes are not allowed. Yes, very much risk is high. That's why see nowadays, you don't worry. In interview, no one will ask you about waterfall model first of all. No one will ask you about waterfall model. Sir, tell one's fourth point. Don't write. When I'm teaching, don't write. Reverse flow of bugs can exist means in requirement collection, if they have collected wrong requirement. See, for example, if I am only teaching you wrong, you will write wrong, you will study wrong, in interview you will tell wrong. So reverse flow of bugs. Okay, so what will happen here? Whatever they have collected, if they have collected wrong, feasibility study we will do wrong meeting, design will do wrong, coding will do wrong, testing will do wrong. It's reverse flow of bugs. That bug will flow continuously. Whatever mistakes we did, it will flow continuously. Understood? Okay, requirement changes are not allowed. This one you know. Clear, everyone? Copy. Sir, in spite of knowing waste model, then why should we go for this model even this? Manoj, stupid questions you are asking here. The question itself, see, in interview, they'll ask you about, tell me about your native. Tell me about your native. Why is there any use? See, even though it is not important, in interview they will ask all these things. Why to learn? Why to, instead of knowing waste model? Who said it's a base model? That's a basic model. It's a hard model. Without this model, other models are not derived. I said it's not important, not base model. Third one, requirement review does not exist means BA have collected the requirement, even though it is a wrong requirement, blindly we are following. Means if it is if BA have collected wrong requirement, no one have reviewed, no one have checked, no one have checked. Okay, so that's why it's that one. Clear? Fourth point, reverse flow of bugs can exist. See, continuous flow, reverse flow, both will be there. See, if we have taken, for example, some mistakes we did, okay, in the requirement, some wrong requirement we have taken. Then feasibility also, we will take wrong meeting, we'll do wrong meeting. Design also will do. I didn't understand Sunil your question. It should be can't means. It's the first point. How it's a disadvantage. And obviously, if developers are testing the application, developers only writing written code, they can't find their own mistake. They can't find their own mistake. So obviously, that's a disadvantage. Third and fourth is somewhat similar. No. Third and fourth is not at all similar. No one have reviewed the requirement, it's a different story. Bugs flow, it's a different story. Why test engineers are not there? You came just now, others. Have you attended just now? I said n number of times. Test engineers are not there. It's a starting model, basic model of SDLC. At that time, no test engineers are there. I said n number of times. Bug fixes also include software maintenance. Yes. In software maintenance also we may fix some bugs. So I'm sorry, almost class is done. I can't do anything. You once check with the HR. Everyone completed? Tomorrow class is there. All model required to complete a project. No, any one model is enough. Any one model is enough. Currently in IT market, BME model and agile methodology is going on. Okay, write one last note, very important note. Waterfall model. Note, put star marks. Put star marks. Apart from waterfall model, requirement changes are allowed in all other models. Okay. Tomorrow also class time is at 11 o'clock only, and you have to join in the same link, whatever link you have got today. Same link, through the same link you have to join. Same ID you have to join. Daily same ID only. Eleven o'clock you have to start. You have to join. 11. Okay, and I think every one of you got one requirement. SAP requirement, BSc, BCA. Wait. Company name is SAP. Company name is SAP. Okay, 2021 pass out. 2021 pass out. BSc, BCA. Nothing. I didn't say anything. Pratap Pradhu. Okay. 10th, 12th,